Hey guys, I'm working on one of these classic Briggs and Stratton engines for a push mower, and I got everything running just the way I wanted to pretty much, except I was hearing a popping noise, and no matter what I did, I couldn't adjust it, and it turns out the muffler is just shot. So the threads float around freely inside, and this thing was just banging around and rattling and making different noises. To remove this though, since the threads are free floating, when I was going to twist it, it would just twist like this and nothing would happen. And this thing does pipe thread into there, into the exhaust. And this is just to show you how to remove that if you encounter this. If you notice, the base of the muffler itself has these little cutouts on the sides, like little wings. And the base of the threads pretty much has these weld points with little wings that line right up with those. So what you need to do is actually have tension where you're pulling the muffler out, turn it counterclockwise till it locks. The threads will lock with the housing of the muffler itself, and they'll twist with it. So while you're pulling with one hand and you turn it counterclockwise and it finally bites and binds, use a pipe wrench while you're pulling out, break the threads just one time. All you have to do is start it. Once it gets going, from there, all you have to do is pull straight out and turn. At the same time, keep tension on it because it'll slip every once in a while, but keep tension on it, and those little weld points will lock into these wings, and it'll come out for you. Should be all set to go.